Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up ConvertKit. First, navigate to the ConvertKit website and sign up for a free account. You will need to enter your email address and create a secure password. After submitting your details, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link in that email to activate your account and begin your journey with email marketing. This initial step takes only a few minutes. Now, let's create your very first form to capture subscribers. From your ConvertKit dashboard, select Landing Pages and Forms, and then New Form. You can choose from various types, including an inline form for your website or a standalone landing page. Customize the colors, fonts, and layout to align with your brand's aesthetic. Remember to add essential fields like email and, optionally, a first name. Next, we'll set up an automated email sequence to engage your new subscribers. Go to Automations and then Sequences to start a new one. This allows you to send a series of emails automatically, like a welcome series. Craft engaging content for each email, perhaps introducing your brand or offering valuable resources. You can set delays, for example, 1 day between the first and second email, ensuring a smooth subscriber experience. Finally, it's time to integrate your form and go live. If you created an inline form, ConvertKit provides code to embed it directly onto your website. For landing pages, simply share the unique URL. Crucially, link your new form to the email sequence you just built so new subscribers automatically receive your content. Always perform a test subscription to ensure all elements, from form submission to email delivery, work perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.